Alright guys, in this video I'm just going to go through some of the clips I took while I was replacing the glow plugs on the 97 Powerstroke. I'm not going to go through every single detail here, it's pretty straightforward, but I'll show some of the clips I took and just go over some of those steps. Okay, after removing the 7 or 8 bolts that hold down the valve cover, you're just going to want to remove the electrical connector that goes over the plug. That's it right there. It's a 10mm socket with a 6-inch extension. So I got the plug about 90% out, and you can see it. Where is it? Right there. So what I do is I take a hose, thin rubber hose, just like that, and stick it on top of there, and spin it out with that. Spin it out, and then it should pull the glow plug right out with it. And there it is. Now to install the new glow plug, it's just the reverse of the procedure you just saw. Just I like to add just a little tiny dab of anti-seize on the threads of the new plug. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Alright, that's going to be a wrap on this one. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out at all, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe for more.